All right, we're here at the Poplar Street #1 grade crossing in Fostoria, Ohio. Taking a look at this first signal, which has a double-sided WCH base, a Siemens gate mechanism, safe tray and counterweight arms. The lights are two pairs of WCH 12x24-inch lights with two pairs of Leotek EV Series LEDs in them. For the gate lights, we have three Ricoh 4-inch LED gate lights. And then for the brackets, they are WCH. So that's it for the first signal. We have track view looking east on the Ennis Fostoria district, and track view looking west in the town of Fostoria. For the second signal, we have another WCH double-sided base. We have a Siemens gate mechanism, safe tray and counterweight arms, two pairs of WCH 12x24-inch lights with two 12-inch Leotek EV Series LEDs in them. Has a WCH bracket. And then for the gate lights, we have three pairs of Ricoh 4-inch LED gate lights. And then last but not least, an NEG e-bell. So that's the tour for this signal here, for this crossing. And what's weird about it is that it's basically a CSX install, one of their 2010 style installs on a Norfolk Southern line, which is already weird. But that is the tour for Poplar Street #1 grade crossing in Fostoria, Ohio. And we'll see you next time.